Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today on the table I have this pH meter. I have no idea what this would be used for. It is from a medical warehouse giveaway, so we are going to... Oh, I got ink on it. Oh no. I don't know how I did that. Anyways, I can already see there's going to be some brass. Maybe that's not going to work. We're going to have to get a longer one. Yeah, I wonder why they use this kind of a screw. It's for something that's tapped. That's not tapped. Anywho. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Oh, I already see some copper and some aluminum. What's this? What in the world? I don't know why they make these devices with plates of metal in them. Look at that. That is... Yeah, that's just a big old plate of metal in there, steel in there. I have no idea. I'm just going to take this out. It looks like paper. Weird. I have no idea what's going on here. Anywho, let's carry on. Crack on. What's this? There's aluminum foil or aluminum. Strange. I'll have to dig in there and get that out off camera because, oh yeah, I'll get in there, get those out of there. Maybe I can just bang those through. Let's find out. It's gonna make a big mess. Again. Okay, so I'll get that out later. Got over there. Another double board. Let's see, do you just slide out? Yeah. There we go. Oh. Plastic. Basura. Oh, buttons. That means silver. Some parts. Maybe. Oh, that was the screen. The back of the screen. And that looks goldish to me. That off to the side. Took this out. Very boring board. This will be easy to pop out, maybe. Sometimes these come right out. Sometimes they're stubborn like that one. Very interesting. Yeah. How do I get this part? Oh, I see. Aha. This is all plastic. So don't anybody worry about me cutting myself on glass. Cloth rule. What if I just go like this? There we go. You know you want them. Sorry. It's funny to me. I won't mention where I got that from, but it's funny now. Plastic. And how do we get you out of there? You are under this cover. Cut you out. Solve this facade. Now I gotta get to the second layer. Where there's buttons, there's silver. And where there's man, there's waste. Alrighty. Silver. I can get it off this backing. Maybe. I'll have to try that at another date because it's sticky. That's going to take a minute, but there's a little bit of silver. There was some weird aluminum in there. Big old chunk of steel. This very, oh, that's the window, or the screen, the window. There's the screen. Oh, chunk of metal in there. That goes in the shred pile. We'll get this out later. And I got this board. And this a little bit of silver here. Very cool. I don't know what this thing was, but it's basura now. Strange. Cool. Alrighty. That's another one down. Thanks for watching. Copper King out.